Greetings guys. This is the Crypto Masterpreneur Coach for Funeka here. As usual, we are going to go through some of the profiles and see how we're doing today. It seems like the market has woken up. Let me see if I can share. Speak that. Oh yeah, it shows, right? Today is the 9th of June and it's a Tuesday. It's just a few minutes past 1 o'clock. I wanted to share that so that we can remember when we actually shared this profile so we can follow like we used to. After this lockdown, I was just so tired of sharing this. But anyway, we can see on this portfolio that we are in a positive with 935. And some of these tokens, like this one's doing very, very well. Even though the percentage may be low because of the quantities, it's a very good payout. Even if it's 3%, 2.5, that's a good percentage. Let's see. You see a lot of red in the bottom as well. Like this one here. Okay, that accounts for 0.24. That's not a lot, but yeah. The market is just starting now to get to the green side, which is good. So we can wait. Let's see what's happening here on this one. Okay, so we have 36 cents, but as you can see, MOA has just woken up and performing very well. And you have a few red tokens that are not doing so well in this hour. Okay, and it's 0.1%. No, that's fine. That's normal. You're not going to have a portfolio that's giving you greens every day. But what you want to do is when the market is green, then the portfolio should be green and not red. It should be at least 70% green. Alright, and you can see in this one here. Okay, this one did very bad yesterday. So it's just coming up with 1.5%. And that is good. And you can see there is also a fair amount of red at the bottom here. And even though it shows green, it's on a minus 0.53 in the red. So all these portfolios are just recovering now. Let's see what's happening on this sector here. Okay, this sector is doing well, as you can see. This one is on a green on the 24-hour profit. And let's see who's this. Oh yeah, this sector is doing very, very well. In fact, it's a subsector of one of these tokens. Let's see. Where is your buddy? Oh, there. These two are doing very, very well. That subsector, seemingly, it might be a very good competition for your Ethereum or your peer-to-peer tokens, it seems. And of course, just like all the other ones, there is a fair amount of red at the bottom because when Bitcoin goes down, it takes down everybody. But a 1.02% on this portfolio is giving you a very good amount of 3,000 Rand. I mean, if 3,000 is your 1%, if you consistently get that, I think that's a good money without calling or SMSing or bothering anyone about nothing. So our portfolios are doing very well, even though the market is just woken up. I think this is good. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long. This is one of those videos where we talk for 10 to 15 minutes. All we are saying is that the digital asset, seemingly it managed to resist what the COVID-19 has done to the stocks and forex and all other ventures by bringing them down. But you can see that the digital assets are actually doing very, very well. As a matter of fact, the breakout for BTC to 10.5 is imminent. If it does happen, we're going to see a rally in a few of the subsectors that are green at the moment. As you can see, these tokens, I mean, if you look at this one, I think 16% is not a bad percent to get on a daily basis, or even 12% or 8%. What is important to notice here, this is tokens that you own. You have them in your cold storage. You're not waiting for someone to give you the 16% or the 12%. You can simply log into your cold storage and go and take it, as opposed to you taking money to give it to some company that is supposed to give you a certain percentage on a daily basis. Why would you do that if you can go and get the percentages directly from the market? Because these are percentages directly from the market. You're not getting this from someone else. But let me refresh here and see what happens. See if there's any movement. You can see there is a drop in the market. Okay, this went to the other portfolio. That's actually a gain there was that. Ooh, okay, so she's doing very, very well. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, so you can see, okay, even this one is going up as well. Okay, so the market is doing very well, guys. So I think we'll stop the video here for today as we watch the recovery in the market. But the idea is that you shouldn't be getting certain percentages of payment from other people. You should get these percentages directly from the market. How you select your tokens in the market, because right now there's well over 5,500 different tokens from different sectors with different use cases. The question is, how do you know which tokens to select in order to have a portfolio that is moving parallel to the market? You don't want a portfolio that when the market is green, yours is red. You want a portfolio that moves parallel to the market. It's always at least 80-70% green when the market is green. And if the market is down, then it should be 70%, 80% down, moving parallel to the market, not doing the opposite. But as you can see, I think we are doing very well today. So we'll leave this at that for now. Alright, so I'll talk to you soon. Me, I and myself, we are out.